I'm gonna take off my makeup in part 2. Bye bye. On my face, and I'm gonna do my makeup. Before I take a bath, I'm gonna do my makeup first. It's a little bit sticky, you know. I'm not gonna drink that. Tastes like milk. This is my makeup. Sorry. I'm just joking. Wait. I'm gonna get some tissue. It's so hard for me, you know. Oh, thank God. Thank God, thank God, thank God. No, oh, sorry. I removed my makeup now. Clean. Because I'm done makeup. I'm done, and at the end, and my lips are done. And my eyes are done. Look at it. You gotta make me cry. Shine eyes. It's not fair. Pulbos. Oh no. So much pulbos, guys. Satisfying, right? I'm gonna pause this video. Okay. This is my final look. Wait, I'm gonna put pulpits on my face. Please like and subscribe for part 2. Remove my makeup. My blush is pigmented.